Hello and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I am giving this glue a chance on my insole for my shoe. This is a very small tube. And what I'm basically doing is squeezing out a bunch of it, probably most of it, towards the back part of the heel. That's where it seems to come off. And I suspect by the time I'm finished squeezing, that this tube will be exhausted. And then I will put the cap on, and I will toss it away. And then I will take the insole, and I don't have any faith that this is actually going to work, but I'll give it a try. And I will push the insole in, and I will push down. I'm not going to put it on my foot. I'm just getting the insole in a nice position for hopefully the heel, when combined with the glue, will do well in its positioning. I am hoping. I already did the other shoe. Anyway, once again, I don't believe this is going to be very successful. But I would like to be wrong. So I will leave that there. And the monitor is filthy. It's funny how when something gets completely covered in dust, you don't really notice. But when a little bit gets kind of brushed off, and you say, ooh, it's dusty, dirty, gross, disgusting. These things happen. Whoosh, toss it away. So, there are a number of other things downstairs that I need to bring up here. There are some disk drives. There are, I've got all the 1571 parts, and I've got to clear this and really dig in with the ones I've got to mark things. I've already got a lot of things in bags, so I know what's what and what it came from. But it is going to be, well, challenging. But that's not always bad. Not at all. So I'm suspecting I will have to move. Well, I'm going to move the pet, probably the monitor, and other such things here. Well, there's 1571 right there. Imagine. Anyway, there is more stuff to go through, and more stuff to sort, and more stuff to figure. And I will figure it. I shall. Funny, I had some big padded envelopes, and I know I supposedly brought them up here, but I don't know where they've gone. Because what I want to do is use them not to mail things, but to put things in and mark them. Like I have down below me the internals of a 1571 that are not working. And I would like to stick them in this bag, which is somewhat protected in case there's something in there that I could use, and stick it in, a box that says parts or bad things or, to be investigated. I don't know where I put them. I just don't know. Hard to imagine. Anyway, so I have this other bin here. These are things that have been designated as not to be here. And so they will not be here, including the recent Mickey and Minnie pencil. Not needed, Not at all. So, well, maybe it can go in this drawer. What was that? I do have an electric pencil sharpener somewhere. Oh, here's a funky thing. This was a Temu thing, and at times it is quite handy. Oh, it is. It is indeed. Anyway, we've already looked through that stuff. We don't need to go through it again. The drawer here is quite fascinating. Here's something I should really get rid of. I'm sure it's crap now, but it is rather historic. It is a Radio Shack rechargeable battery cell. Is it real nickel? Metal hydrate battery. Probably. It's crap. Probably. But Radio Shack holds fond memories. Because, of course, when I was growing up, there was one not far up the street, and you would always pop in and see what was what. And also, the Radio Shack score, I guess they also sold something like the Commodore 1520 printer plotter, and that was where you could always go to find fresh ink pens for the Commodore printer plotter. It was good. Oh, more junk. It was good. Oh, now here. Ah, yes, this is something. It's a magnet, but I don't think right now there's anything on the floor that would benefit from that. I don't think so. Oh, so much. Drawers are wonderful things. You can hide all kinds of stuff away. Anyway, things are coming along. Don't knock the glasses. I really don't know if this glue is going to do anything at all worthwhile. Maybe. Oh, it still feels wet. Great. I'll just leave it. I don't know for how long it's supposed to be left. Anyway, back to it soon. So thanks for coming. I will now disperse these things that don't need to be here. Have a lovely day. I'll keep you posted on the shoes. It won't work. But, had to try. Bye for now.